Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that aims to enhance your home security, the UltraPro Personal Security Window and Door Alarm, available in a convenient 12-pack. We found this product online and have added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the UltraPro 12-pack? This set consists of 12 compact, wireless alarms designed to alert you whenever a door or window is opened or closed. With the rise in home burglaries and the increasing need for personal security, these alarms provide a practical solution to help you feel safer in your home, garage, or apartment. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the UltraPro alarms. First and foremost, each alarm emits a powerful 120 decibel sound, which is loud enough to deter intruders instantly. This is achieved through a reliable magnetic sensor that activates when a door or window is disturbed. You also have the option to select between a siren or a chime alert, allowing you to tailor the system to your security needs and daily routine. Another great aspect of these alarms is their simple alert control. Each unit features a side switch that lets you choose between off, chime, or alarm modes. This means you can easily set the alarm as needed, whether you're at home or away. With 12 alarms included, you can cover multiple entry points throughout your home, ensuring broader security coverage in places that matter most. Now, let's discuss installation. One of the most appealing features of these alarms is the wireless indoor installation. Each alarm comes with double-sided tape, enabling quick and tool-free mounting on doors, windows, cabinets, or drawers. This means you can have your home security set up in no time, without the hassle of complicated wiring. Additionally, the UltraPro alarms are battery-operated, running on 4 included LR44 batteries. Each alarm also features a front LED low battery indicator, so you can always be assured of reliable protection without worrying about constant maintenance. So, who is this product suitable for? The UltraPro alarms are ideal for a wide range of individuals and living situations. Whether you're a homeowner looking to enhance your property's security, a renter in an apartment, or even someone living in a dorm room, these alarms can provide a peace of mind. They can also be useful for securing garages, offices, RVs, and campers, essentially anywhere you need a quick and reliable security solution. Practical use cases for the UltraPro alarms are numerous. For instance, if you live in a busy area or just want that extra layer of security when you're away, placing these alarms on your windows and doors can alert you to any unauthorized access. They can also be beneficial for families with children or pets, providing an added precaution against accidents or unexpected entries. In summary, the UltraPro Personal Security Window and Door Alarms offer a simple, effective, and versatile solution for anyone looking to boost their home security. With powerful alerts, easy installation, and battery-operated convenience, these alarms provide reliable protection without